welcome back. Come with me as we check out the newest hotspot in Orlando. It's Arcade Time USA. They just opened and they are not closing. That's right, they're open 24 hours a day with a full bar, full restaurant, and a ton of arcade games. There are 2 floors to this place. You are going to have a blast. Come along with me as we check out everything that there is to do here. I'm going to give you a once around tour of everything that's here so you can kind of get a feel for like what the arcade games are, what the attractions are, and what the food and drink is here. Arcade Time just recently opened over on International Drive. It's right down from Universal Studios, so that's kind of the area that it's in. So after a day hitting the parks, head on over and finish your night off here at Arcade Time. Or let's say you're at the parks or at your resort and it's raining, come on over, check out Arcade Time. If you're a local, this is going to be one of your favorite new spots. My birthday is coming up and I am definitely coming back here. The first floor of Arcade Time is going to be like the newer kind of arcade games, like driving games. There's Mario Kart. That's my favorite. I can't stop even thinking about it. It's so much fun. Lots of redemption games, lots of prize games, huge prize room full of super fun prizes that you can win. We'll take a look at that a little bit later. So this is the first floor filled with tons of the best games. If you're like me, you love claw machines. Just, am I gonna win? Am I not gonna win? It's so much fun. There's an entire alleyway filled with claw machine games. There's these Pokemon toys, SpongeBob, Rick and Morty, all kinds of super cute plushies that you can win in these claw machines. So that is really fun that there's so many of those to choose from. Here in Orlando, their current promotion is the $9.95 playing card. All you can play all day. It's 8 hours of as much play as you want. Now, it doesn't include like redemption games, where you get like a prize or something like that right away. And you're not going to accumulate tickets. But let me tell you, the amount of retro games and other games is well worth it. So now that we know we're going to be here for a while to play all these games, you're going to want to eat, and you're going to want to eat anyways when you look at this menu. They have a ton of great options. Everything that we had was so good. Like, we could not stop talking about how good the food was and when we're coming back to eat again. Their pricing is very, very reasonable. And their drink pricing, guys, if you go to the parks and touristy destinations here in Orlando, you know what the pricing is like for drinks. We're talking $5 beers, $6 cocktails. The pricing is so good here at Arcade Time. You're going to want to spend as much time as possible, and you can because they're open 24 hours. Here are 3 of the most fun drinks that we probably have ever had. Like, check out the Purple Rim, and the Pop Rocks drink was so much fun. We were laughing the entire time putting these Pop Rocks in this drink. And this rainbow slushy drink was so cute and so fun. I love an Instagrammable moment, and this restaurant has the Instagrammable moments. you are looking for. Now, after we get these drinks going, we grabbed some appetizers. These mozzarella sticks were gigantic, and popcorn chicken with popcorn. Yes, please. That is so much fun. The chicken was so tender. These mozzarella sticks. Check out this cheese pull. Yes. Now, I have never had a pineapple food before, but this was so good. It's fried rice, ham with chicken skewers, pineapple, onions. It was so delicious. We devoured this. They also have a ton of wing flavors, loaded tater tots, but the piece de resistance has to be these rainbow pellet sliders. How much fun are those? So after we ate all this, took a little bit of a break, we headed upstairs to every single Gen X, Gen Z, whatever age you are going to love the retro games upstairs. My first ever video game was obviously Super Mario Brothers / Duck Hunt. So there is a piece of my heart that is for this game, and to play it on an arcade style was so much fun. And obviously Tetris comes in a very close second. They have that too. All of these games are included in this $10 all-you-can-play pass. So you can try out all of these games that maybe you played as a kid, or maybe you've never played and always wanted to play. Whatever game you're looking for, they probably have it. So if you want to play the games that have the tickets and the claw machines, the redemption kind of games, you can also buy just a game card with points on it. So let's take a look at the pricing for the game cards. Now, if you're looking for some more attractions and more fun, the upstairs level has 2 more activities. They have Duckpin bowling and crazy darts. There's also another full bar upstairs and tons of seating. This is definitely a place for an all-night hangout. And like I mentioned, on certain nights of the week, right now it's Wednesdays and Fridays, there's a DJ, so you can get your dance on too. Another activity here at Arcade Time is duck bowling. It's basically very similar to bowling, although the balls are smaller. The pins are connected to strings, so it's just easy to kind of go between rounds. But you can play 10 rounds, scoring similar to bowling, except you throw 3 times each turn instead of 2. So here's duck bowling. We also had a blast playing this giant Pac-Man game. It fills an entire wall, and you can have up to 4 players. It was really fun. We are having the best time here at Arcade Time. One of the activities that you can purchase is Crazy Darts. So it's basically like a screen that is gonna give you like little things to throw darts at, and it's actual darts that you're throwing. There's a bunch of different choices that you can choose from. We just did a trivia one. There's Halloween themed, we're doing the Christmas theme now. So you choose like different theming for what you're trying to aim for, and then you get points, and it keeps track of the points, and then of course there's a winner at the end. So this is one of the activities. It's $30 for an hour, so something cool and different to do. Well, we played the games, we ate the food, we had the best time. Now, as any good game night comes to an end, it's time for the prizes. Their prize room is fully stocked with so much fun stuff. They obviously have the small amount of points prizes, and then these super fun ones like these retro lunch boxes. There's a Rainbow Bright Toy Story. There's just so much to choose from, and it's all really, really fun stuff. And definitely you're going to walk away with something cool, like maybe Masters of the Universe, Castle Grayskull. Hello, who is going to win that? I definitely need to see their post when they put that together. And check out all these pops. There's an entire wall of pop figures. Like, this is not your childhood prize room. This is the prize room you wish you had when you were a child. So much fun. Make sure to get a card that does do redemption, though. As you can see, there is so much to do here at Arcade Time. So it's located in Orlando, right on our International Drive. It's like literally right by Universal Studios. If you're staying at Surfside or Dockside Hotel, it's walking distance from there. They literally just opened not that long ago. There's so much that you can do here. We have been here for hours and we still are having so much fun. They have a lot of great promotions, so make sure to check out their social media pages to find out what they have going on, like the double play with a $20 game card plus a free appetizer. You can't go wrong. Their food is so good. So check them out, Arcade Time. There's other locations too, so if you're not in Orlando, there may be one near you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.